So now joins us Dr. Balbir. Sir, thank you so much for talking to NewsX. Sir, what was the agenda of the meeting today? Is this the urgency of the meeting that was being called?
No, there is no urgency. Arvind Kejriwal is a fighter. He wanted to thank Punjab ministers, MLAs and all their supporters who came here. They worked with passion and he was very much impressed the way Punjab volunteers worked, and he wanted to thank us, that's all. And then he motivated us that now you go back to your constituencies, you go and share people's agonies, sorrows and joys, and then work in your constituencies and make Punjab the best governed state in the country. That is broadly his message.
So Pratap Bajwa is claiming that the 30 MLA of the Aam Aadmi Party Punjab government is in the contact with the Congress.
Madam, these are all speculations. His brother is not with him. His MLAs, Congress MLAs are not with him. Why would our MLAs go with him? How many MLAs he is saying?
30.
30. So still we will be left with 64. We know 59. So it's a useless thing. It's a sheer wastage of time. Don't waste your time on this.
So what was the mantra that was given today in the meeting? Because 2 years are left for the Punjab government.
Mantra is very simple. Work, work, work. काम करो, काम करो, काम करो. लोगों में जाओ, लोगों में रहो, काम करो. That's it.
So also there were a lot of promises that was made by the Punjab government. One of the promise was to give 1,000 rupees to the women, which is still pending. So how did you see this, when that will be fulfilled?
That will be fulfilled very soon. Our Chief Minister has said it, and our Arvind Kejriwal has given the guarantee that we will fulfill all the guarantees.
So what was the discussion about the loss in the national capital? What was the strategy, future strategy that is being talked about?
So, BJP has lost for the last 27 years. We have lost one election. So now the people have given us the mandate to hold the Delhi government accountable to the people of Delhi, and we will do that job. And after 1 year, you will get the answer. When they compare the Aam Aadmi Party government model and they compare with that BJP rule of 1 year, you will see what we have done in 10 years, where they are now. So I don't want to be negative. So I'll give them 1 year. We will talk about that in 1 year.
So all the MLAs are united.
They are all united like a rock solid.
So all the MLAs have come in the meeting also.
All the MLAs ministers has come in the meeting.
Okay, thank you so much. So there you heard Dr. Balbir, and he said that all the MLAs are together. They have attended the meeting, and there was the mantra that has been given by the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal to just work for the development of the people in the Punjab, also in the national capital. I'm Arzu Said with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.